Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with PR. So in today's video, we will be discussing about how we can delete an element at beginning of an array and deletion at end also. Okay, so we have already started C programming and data structures concepts on this channel, right? So if you have not started yet, I strongly suggest you to watch those videos first because they will help you understand today's topic much more clearly. So make sure you check out the playlist. So before starting the topic, I must say that I have already uploaded the deletion at specific position. Okay, so please go and watch that video also, and then come back to check this video as well. So let's start it. So whenever you want to delete an element at beginning means at zero index, that time you will say that's a deletion at beginning of an array. All right. So this here is algorithm. This is a very simple algorithm where we said that we have to read the number of elements, then read number of elements values as well, right? And then check underflow condition. That's if the array is empty, then what you will delete. Okay. So if your n is zero, that means deletion is not possible. That means array is empty. Then you have to stop. This is the optional. You can write if you want to, and if you want to skip it, then it can be skipped, right? So now the fifth step. If you are saying the elements present in the array, then you have to delete the element at index zero. All right. So that's why we are starting for loop from zero. Earlier, in a specific position, when we are saying a specific position, that time we were saying I will get the value of pos minus one, means the position minus one, means the index value it will say. Okay. But here we are saying at beginning, so we know the index value. So we will write I equals to zero and it will go n minus 2. All right. Then we will shift our element at left side. Okay. So a of I plus 1 will go in the location as will go in the a of I, you can say that's the location. I is the location. All right. So after that we have to decrease the size of it as we are decreasing, as we are saying deleting the element. That means what? Earlier it was 5 elements. Now once you deleted one element, then it will become 4. That's why we are deleting n by one only, and then we have to display the array as well. Now let's check out how we can write a simple program in C language. So here I have written a having 20 size. We have n number of elements, I index value and pause. So here we don't need pause. Okay, so just ignore this pause. As we know, index value is 0, so that's why we are not writing it. Now we are asking number of elements in your array and the values inside it. Minus 1 and n I plus plus. Okay, then a of I, to get the value of a of I plus 1. Okay, and then you have to decrease the size of n also. All right, and then print your array. Now when you are printing the array, just make a little bit of space between it. Okay, and a of I will get the value. So when you will run this code, you will see here 5 and 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. All right, so elements will be like this. So 20, 30, 40 and 50. All right. So this is how a simple program of your when you want to delete from the beginning. Okay. Now let's know how we can say the element that I want to delete from the end. I want to delete at end. All right. So here the deletion at end of an array. So here we will simply write array number of elements, array elements, what are the values. We'll check the underflow condition. If your condition is saying n is right now 0, that means array is empty, so you can't delete. But if it is not true, then you have to just decrease the size of n and display it. Let's try a simple code in C language. Here, a simple thing, I will simply ignore this. Just remove it from here. Right, you are doing right now deletion at end. Okay, so here we ask the number of elements, right? And we are simply writing n minus minus. So one element will be decreased, means one location we have to ignore, right? And value earlier it was 5, suppose. So now it become 4. Okay, now run this code. So when you will run this code, you will, okay, 10 elements I have written. So we have to write it 10 elements. So I'm writing 50, 40, 20, like this. Okay, and this. All right. So the last element is 2. Okay, so the last element is 2. Now you will say the element become this. So there is no 2. That means 2 is deleted at end. Okay, so this is a simple one to, delete element at the end. So last element it will be removed from your array. All right. So I hope you know now how you can write an array and how you can delete the element. I have already uploaded insertion. Okay, so you can check how we can do insertion operation in our array. Okay, so now check out all videos, check out all playlists, right? And there you will see how we can do a simple code with the help of algorithm as well as the concept of data structure. All right, Okay, hope so you like this video. So please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates. Thank you so much. Happy learning, guys.